Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shehab and welcome back to my another interesting video. So today I want to share you amazing website which can help you to improve your typing skills. So without any talking, let's get started. At first we will go to Google Chrome browser. Then search Typing.com. Then click on sign up. Then click on sign up as a student. Then click on Google. So this is the website. Here are some lessons, like 15 lessons. So if you want, so you can practice these lessons. Then tests. This is tests. If you want, so you can take a test. Then games. Oh, there are many games. Typing games. This is very interesting. Keyboard jump, keyboard ninja, or nitro type. Okay, so let me play. Keyboard jump, play. Okay, Delhi. Oh, H-I-I-N. A-C-A-I-N. T-W-I-C-E. Okay, this is the game. Then keyboard ninja. Start. All letters easy. P G F W. Oh, I think this alphabet game. Oh, this is boom, banana, boom, boom. Oh shit, Y B D X X. Yeah. R S. Okay, game over. No problem. Then nitro type. So let me play this game. Okay. I think this is typing game. Oh, the brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick BROWN brown FOX fox JUMP jumps over the lazy DOZ dog. Oh, yes, I'm winner. Okay, so this is the nitro type game. So this is the website. Here are lessons, tests, or games. So that's all for today. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
The darkness lead us into the light. Let our dreams get lost, feel the temperature rise.